folks, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can replace your engine filter. Very simple. Okay, I bought it here from Volvo. I think you could get it at some truck stops as well. It cost me $65. If I were to do it at a repair shop, they would charge me $100. So I bought it for $65. I'll show you how you can replace it. Alright folks, I took it out of the box. Oh, by the way, the screwdrivers I got it from Pilot. It only cost me 10 bucks. Alright, so we're gonna open this part. This is where your engine filter is located. As you can see mine, I replace it every 75,000 miles. If you want to do it often, you can, but I think it's recommended every 100,000, but I do it every 75, just to be on the safe side. Let's go ahead and open it so we can replace it. Alright folks, so we open those 6 screws. We're gonna pull out the filter. Oh man, look at this. Not looking good. Pretty dirty. For some people's standards, actually that's pretty clean, because I'm changing it at 75. So let's go ahead and put in the new one. Alright, so this is the new one, just to see the difference. Look. Old one. It's only $65, so I think it's really not a big cost to. You know what? We're gonna just wipe down. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a towel. I'm gonna wipe out the inside of that filter cap, so that way it's super clean. Just trying to eliminate all the dust here. Alright folks, that is basically it. We're gonna go ahead and close the cap, screw it up, and that will be done. So that's pretty easy. While we're at it, we might as well change this filter as well. This is a cap filter. So how do you pull it out? It's right next to your engine filter. It's right here. You take off the clips. You take this off. This comes off. Make sure it goes. See, it goes this way, right? And you pull out the cap filter. Look at that. Oh boy, this is not looking good. Whew. Yeah, dirty. Just look at the difference. New one, old one. Let's put the camera itself right here. attention when you're putting in. You see the hole, the direction of the airflow. Air is flowing from the outside into your cab. So we're gonna put this back. Put the clips on. Make sure you put on the clips because you don't want this thing flying off when you're washing your truck or when you're doing PTI, whatnot. Alright. There you go. Alright folks, that was it. They changed the engine filter and they changed the cab filter. There's another cab filter inside. That's easy. You could probably do that yourself. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and folks, until next time, peace.